What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm here at the JW Marriott. I want to take y'all on the walkthrough, show you this fantastic resort. I love it here. Got so many things to show y'all, and it's Christmas time, so a lot of Christmas trees, a lot of Christmas decor. We're gonna go in here and check it out. Let's get into the video.
Ask you to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we drop a video on this channel. Now getting into this walkthrough, we are in the lobby. This hotel has 3 restaurants, 4 if you count the poolside bar and grill called the Knife Burger, I believe. Fantastic restaurants. We're actually coming up on the first one, which is the kitchen. My wife and I had dinner here. I believe it was the first night. I recommend that you do the mac and cheese, and the sliders are fantastic. I definitely recommend that. You will not be sorry you ordered that. Moving out of the lobby, right across from us where you see the Christmas tree at, is called the Everbar. Now the Everbar, this place right here, they sell appetizers. They don't sell entrees, but just appetizers and drinks. My wife and I stay here just before dinner for a nice drink and a pleasant conversation. Moving on from the Everbar, we are going towards the second restaurant. Here's a sign here. This sign just shows a bunch of announcements and different things that they have going on around the resort. Now we are approaching Primo, which is, like I said before, is the second restaurant. My wife and I did not eat here during our stay. If I have to be completely honest, when I looked at the menu, I really didn't see anything that made me feel like I wanted to try this restaurant. Of course, everybody's taste is different, so you might see something on there that you may like, but me personally, it just wasn't something that piqued my interest. Now moving forward, we are going down to the third restaurant, which is the Citron. This restaurant only serves breakfast, so they're open from, I believe it's like 6 or 7 a.m. to maybe like no later than noon, I believe. I could be wrong on those times, but I do know they only serve breakfast, and it is amazing. You get to choose in between either the buffet or just ordering a dish from the menu. My wife and I, we ate the buffet both mornings we were here. It's a bit pricey at $38 a person, but it's definitely worth it.
Thank you for the breakfast, a beautiful light breakfast, the fries, chicken breakfast, bacon is fresh, the food, everything good, the omelette station is very good, omelette, egg, everything. The fruit is fresh, it's very good, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
As you can see, they have very pleasant staff. That gentleman actually saw me getting some footage of the buffet, and he just jumped in and just started explaining the buffet to me, and he was gracious enough to allow me to get him on camera. So thanks a lot to that gentleman. Such a great, kind staff all over this resort, actually. But moving forward, we are passing the kitchen, which is the first restaurant I showed you guys. I'll give you a slight peek at the menu right here. Once again, you cannot go wrong with the sliders and the mac and cheese. Cannot go wrong at all. But now we are going towards the convention center. And as you can see, we are coming upon the Starbucks right here on the left-hand side. And then right across from Starbucks is the gift shop, which is called the Montage. Moving forward, Next, across from the Montage, on the same side of Starbucks, is the Bodega. They sell like nice little different snacks and stuff like that. Another little small cafe. Now, this is interesting. This is something I definitely wanted to show you guys. My first time ever seeing a CVS vending machine. This is incredible. This vending machine has everything from diapers to allergy medicine, personal items, and pretty much I would say the essentials that you would need that would keep you from having to drive or take an Uber or live outside of the resort to have to go to a CVS. Pretty much the essential things you'll need is right there in that vending machine. Now we're right here at FedEx. A really helpful place if you have to print anything or scan anything or things of that nature. One thing I like to know, this resort is just beautiful. Now we're here in the room. This is the room tour portion. Starting in the bathroom. This is a great shower. I love those shower heads that extend out and just sit right on top of your head. I love those. Got a toilet right there. This tub is amazing. When I tell you this tub, seeing it on the screen just doesn't do it any justice. This thing is like huge in person. And they gave us robes as well. It was robes, one in the bathroom. They gave us two, so it was one in the bathroom and there's also one in the closet right across the way. Now coming out of the bathroom, we're looking at the door, which is the entrance where you come in at. To the right is the bathroom. To the left hand side is the closet. And then when we move forward, we are in the main portion of the room. There's a couch right there, which I believe pulls out with the ottoman. Have the table. A nice picture right there on the wall. Your king size bed, which is extremely comfortable, by the way. A lamp, patio, chair. You have your TV and your counter situation. Such a comfortable bed. One of the things I love, as I said before, the attention to detail. I just had to zoom in and get this lamp. Beautiful. This room is so nice and spacious, and you don't feel cramped or claustrophobic at all. So if you're somebody who doesn't like cramped spaces, these rooms are extremely spacious, extremely. Right here you have your standard coffee situation, coffee, tea, complimentary waters, and if you look real closely, you could see some complimentary Biscoff cookies right there. My wife and I were trying to figure out what this was. We guessed that maybe a space to put your laptop, but we're not really sure. So if anybody knows what that is, drop it in the comment section. Moving on to the patio, such an amazing view. Great view. Now down here in the pool area, as you can see, the water slides. Moving forward, we are getting ready to approach the lazy river. The lazy river is pretty fun. It's a relatively decent current. I wouldn't say it's a current like I've been in some lazy rivers where the current moves really fast and it kind of pushes you. This is more really the name lazy river suits it, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It's a pretty nice, relaxing float around the pool. And they also have a splash pad just for the kids.
Alright, y'all, that'll do it for my walkthrough of the JW Marriott Grand Lakes. This is a magnificent, exquisite, any other word that describes great. Hands down, one of the best experiences I have ever had at a resort is here at the JW Marriott Grand Lakes Resort. Phenomenal. It almost feels as if like you're not even in Orlando. We actually kind of feels like we were at the Atlantis in Bahamas a little bit. The way it looks, just the building and the pool, the lazy river, the sights. As you can see, one of the things that I love most about this hotel is the attention to detail, like the way that they sculpt some of these things that's on the wall and these paintings and, you know, even the carpet, you know, just the edifice in its entirety, the chandeliers. It's just, it's phenomenal. It's amazing. Listen, y'all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a video on this channel. And I always say, don't forget to stress less and travel more. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace.